Sanibonani and welcome to yet another brilliant episode of Asambe, and this is your new host of the show. My name is Sthembiso Makanya. I'm so excited to be the new host of this wonderful show that brings you the brilliance of our people right here in the land of Eswatini. We have our popular persons, we have our celebrities, we have our favorite people that we have. Some of them we know them through social media, some of them we know etinzaweni etehlukahlukene la sidibana nabo khona. And guess what? Asambe, this is where we bring these people right here to give them activities that take them out of their comfort zone. I'm sure you're excited about this already. We want people to be out of their comfort zone, to get to do things for the Bangagatailik, and that's exactly what we are bringing you here. And today we have Sthembiso Kunene, who's a renowned actor, a professional actor, by the way, that we have right here in the land of Eswatini. It's so exciting to see the work that he's doing. Emafilimi nalapa. We get to bring him here so that we can see another side of him as we bring him up to brilliant activities. Langagawa Tayeli. And today we have a challenge that we have for him right here in my pocket. Guess what? We have something amazing right here that we will be giving him. What is it exactly that we'll be doing with him today? And by the way, right now he's already with me right here. My brother, how are you doing?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm great, man.
I'm good.
I'm so happy to see you.
Good to see you as well.
And we're here today. I'm hoping that we're going to have an exciting time, eh?
Yeah.
So now, this is how it starts. We have the challenge for you here. Okay. I know that many people know you as an actor. Many people know you, in a different way. But today we just want you to get out of that comfort zone and give you something that is going to challenge you. I don't know, how are you feeling about this before we even open it?
I'm actually waiting to see what's inside there.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm always ready for different challenges, so I think I'll take it on.
All right. So how do you think you're going to do today? I know that you are used to these things, but this one is a different one. You're never sure what's in here.
Let's see.
Let's just see, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's say a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
All right.
9 out of 10.
All right. Let's check it out then.
All right.
Let's see what you have right there.
What do we have? Oh! Righty.
So tell me about that. Have you ever thought of yourself as an artist?
Pretty much, because I'm an actor, so I'm a creative, all-round creative, so I think, I can dwell into things that have to do with being an artist.
All right.
Yeah.
So that won't be a hard one for you?
I don't really think so.
We'll see, because that's what the show is all about.
Oh, yeah?
All right, my guy, let's get right into it. We have our car here, so that we can just get right to the location where we're doing our things.
All right, cool.
I can't wait to see the artist in you.
Alrighty.
Asambe, okay? All right, so here we are, bruh. Yeah, we've just arrived here. So this is the place whereby you'll be doing your artistry work today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this is the place.
It's about that time.
Of course, so yeah, this is the place. So what is going to happen here, we're going to introduce you to the person who mentor you throughout the whole process today for your artistry work.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's see what they have for us inside here. Asambe, okay. So yeah, this is it.
It looks amazing.
I'm telling you, it's really great. All right, so we've just arrived here.
Hello, how are you guys?
I'm fine, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
to meet you, Maxwell. Now we're so happy to be here, Maxwell. My name is Sthembiso Makanya. Yes, so Miletena Jahala that you're going to mentor today. On this wonderful program here. This is Asambe game. So I'm really excited about being here. Mineke ngathi ukuthi la khaya kwakhiwe emakhandlela but ngikazilokhu sengiwilo tawumentori shambili nasumentori.
All right, that's true. That's true.
So yes, this is This is Sthembiso. Kunene. Yes.
Lamini, nice to meet you. All right, so once again, welcome, gentlemen. Mr. Stera, nice to meet you. All right, so this is Eswatini. It was established in 1986. This is an industry based on paraffin wax. So it's a byproduct of petrol that we buy from Sasol, South Africa. It comes in blocks in form of something like this. So what we do is we just warm it up. I think I would give you a piece. Please have a piece so that you just feel it. That's the material that we use. So we don't have only that. We also have colored pieces like this one. Okay. So we have a department that deals with making these things just a few meters away from here. So what we do is we prepare the clear wax. We melt this one into liquid, edit with powder pigments, form different kind of plain sheets, and then put together to form the patterns inside. That's a process that is done over a day, but we deal with making it daily. So I make about 30 to 40 a day. So I will make one piece for you guys to see. After that piece, make sure you see, because I will ask you both of you to give me a challenge and make your own. So I'm gonna start one for you guys to see. So this is the beginning of all the candles. So you put this piece on top of the plain one, and then it comes out a colored ball like this. From these, you start molding it. So there are no molds. I am the mold. So I'll be making one for you to see right now. So I'm gonna make an elephant. Just get my apron. There we go. It all takes about 5 minutes to make one.
Hey.
I'm sure this is gonna be easy for you guys. As long as you're in the acting industry, it means you're an artist.
Yeah, hey.
I have to see if you have this talent as well.
Let's see if we can do it.
Yeah. But you only have about 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes time, you need to have a whole animal done and complete.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can see no magic is being done here.
Okay,
it's all handmade. Very easy, just squeeze and pull. So this is roughly less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'm sure you can pull it off in a lesser time than I did. Because I probably have to give you a lesser shape than this one. Because this is a candle, we have to make a space for the wick. So we make a space right here. This is for the lighting string. And then for the eyes, they come already made like this. So we just chop them and put them into the right position. All right, there it goes. Our elephant is done. From here, we put it in cold water to harden it for 24 hours. But after 20 or 10 minutes, it's already good.
Okay.
So it's done. Now it's your turn. So I hope you guys are ready. Let me prepare some space for you.
All right.
All right, please have a seat here. And also you have a seat here. Okay. So you have a competition, eh? So with this one, I'm gonna give you this. You don't have to make an elephant.
All right.
But you just have to make a shape that is going to be relevant for you. You can make a fish, you can make a dolphin, you can make a heart, you can make a dog, anything, but you have 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
All right, so I'll give you this.
All right.
Just prepare yourself. Please put this on top here. All right. So Ben, you've
put it on
got
top?
5 minutes. Yeah, just right there.
Can just.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right.
All right, there you go. There you go.
Thank you.
So these are your tools. If you feel you need them, you use them.
Yeah.
But go.
You can use your hands just.
Yeah, you
without
can
the
just
tool.
use. Yeah.
Okay.
But you will know if you need them.
All right.
Yeah, go for it. 4 minutes left.
Yeah.
Yeah, squeeze gently. Just take your time.
All right. This is tricky.
You're doing good. Continue.
It's tricky.
You see, when you're making a piece of art,
Yeah.
there's no mistake. Who knows? Maybe there's a fish out there like that.
Yeah, something can come out.
Deep down in the sea. Maybe we have a dolphin like that. Could see. Just have faith in what you're making.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, for the first time you can mess it up. It's very good that whatever you're making, you cannot see the animal.
Yeah.
You're only using your imagination. So I'll give you something for that. Yeah, that's a submarine, isn't it?
Hey. Yo, I didn't think this was so hard. Yeah.
I guess until you see it being made.
Hey. Okay. Hey.
If you're feeling need to remove something, cut something,
Yeah.
it's all up to you. Okay, we got 2 minutes left.
All right.
I believe you've watched the dinosaur before. All right, so these are the eyes. If what you are making has got eyes, you can put this. It can be a machine, it can be a flight, it's fine.
Hey.
All right, if you feel, okay, make the holes for the eyes.
Whatever this fish is.
For the reminder of this tour, you have to keep your shape
Yeah.
until you go back home with it.
Oh yeah.
You know, I think you can run away with it if you say it's a dinosaur. All right, so 1 minute left. Complete your pieces.
Okay.
Remember, you have to leave a space for the week because these are all candles. I think if you can make your one standing by the tail, it will make more sense, I swear.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, space for the week. Just use this, yeah. A hole. Lovely. All right. The holes for the eyes, yeah.
So all the way through, or?
Yeah. So is it a happy fish or an angry fish?
This one looks like an angry
A bit of
fish.
confused one. Okay, there you go. Yeah. All right, we've got 30 minutes.
Good.
30 seconds, I meant.
This one is the one.
It's the one, eh?
This one.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cut. Let's see what you guys have made. Let's start with this one. Because we're making a kangli, I think your one is best like this.
Yeah.
Let me see your one, Sarah. I think yours will make more sense if it stands
Oh,
like
it stands
that.
like that, okay.
Yeah, otherwise, the other direction, it will give us a problem. Nice. All right. Let me just harden them with the wick with a stick.
All right. My goodness, this is so hard.
This is very easy. The way it's standing is more standing like Jesus now. Okay. All right, you're gonna harden them, and then I'm gonna give you some ratings for it.
All right.
All right. So let's just leave them for a few minutes. You're gonna come back and I'm gonna rate your candles for you, and then we're gonna see how this goes.
Righty, thank you so much. You didn't
All right,
expect
guys.
it to be so hard.
I know you've been probably sweating right now. This will do.
All right.
All right, there it goes. But it's quite small. It's all for me. All right, this is the big one. All right, so this,
Okay.
you just pour the liquid wax like that. There you go. Just pour your one.
Okay. Sorry.
Now, just to remove some impurities, some dirt onto the animal.
Okay.
Scrape it nicely, remove anything. So then here, this is a melted, this is an electric pot. You need melted wax inside. We dip it once, just to give it a shiny spark. So this part is dipped, then we dip the front.
All right.
Once that is done, then this is the final product. So from here, we display them, and then we export them as well. So you guys are gonna be doing the same process.
Okay.
If you may, just scrape any impurities you have, and then we're gonna start proceeding to the other side. Yeah, that's fine. Not too much.
Okay.
That's it. If you clear,
Yeah.
I think now it's
That's
ready.
good.
You can dip it. So you hold it up here,
Okay.
you dip it half. You hold it on the other side, you dip it half.
So that's like this.
Like that, dip it. Nice, out.
Okay. The other part.
And the other part. That's it.
Okay.
All right, then you put it out.
All right.
That's all right.
Oh, it's standing now.
All right, so guys, you were explaining to me what initially what were you guys making, and the final product, you feel how it came out. Just explain before I can do any ratings.
All right. So for me, in my head, I was actually creating a dolphin, so something in the sea. But then it seems like I came out with a sea monster. I don't know what I don't know how to explain it. More like
I'm sure it does look like a shark.
yeah, more like a sea lion.
Sea lion,
Yeah,
eh?
but with fins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something.
Something. No, that's good. Okay, let me have it to you guys. What were you coming up with?
All right, well, with me too, I think Nangsakala, I thought I'm making a dolphin.
Yeah.
But I don't even know what to call this. What does it? That's a
It's a
spaceship.
Godzilla, eh?
That's a spaceship. That was a
Spaceship.
dragon. It looks like a dragon.
All right. In terms of creativity, I think you created nice pieces. Anyone can tell these are fishes.
Yeah.
But in terms of what initially you were given, yeah, there was a bit of a flop. So in creativity, I will give you both 8 out of 10. And in terms of the actual animals, yeah, there you're gonna play with around 3 each. For what you were initially given,
from a
but in
dolphin to this.
overall,
Yeah.
you did very good.
Yeah.
If you had a reference, probably you were gonna see exactly what you were doing.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, these are the pieces that we have them, the 2 boys. All right, this
Yeah.
one is gonna problem standing. All right,
All right, thank you so much.
nice to meet you guys. Actually, it's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Safe journey.
All right, Babugeli, so what ended up happening here, I was ambushed by this guy here. When he challenged each other. So now we ended up doing this thing, both of us together. So, spaceship, Sam, my guy. Now it's time that we rate each other here.
Right.
I'm telling you. So, okay, please rate mine. Let's do it like that. Now,
Okay.
Kabanga out of 10. Mtola Banda.
Right, if I'm being honest, this is really great. Great creativity.
Seriously?
Yeah, it is actually. It is. So I'd give it an 8 as well.
An 8.
Yeah, an 8 as well.
All right, cool. That's
How
nice.
about mine?
All right, I don't know where I'm judging from.
Yeah.
But maybe let's get it because already. Okay, I don't see him.
Yeah,
I
at
don't
least
see him.
it's something.
I know. I'll give it a 7.
A 7.
I'll give it a 7.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's been exciting having you here on Asambe.
Thank you
I
so
hope you
much.
really enjoyed. How was the whole experience, though?
Yeah, well, the experience was really great. So I got to learn about the importance of actually knowing exactly what you want to do
All right.
when creating something.
All right.
Like be intentional about it so that you get the actual artistry out of it.
Nice.
So yeah,
All right,
really enjoyed it.
All right, that's good. So now the artistry side of things, you've been able to enhance something, eh? I see. All right, that's really exciting. Babugel Asambege, I'm sure you've enjoyed today's episode where we brought you our spaceships in the form of a candle. Do join us next week as we bring you yet another exciting person, another exciting challenge. Until next week when we meet again, Saturday, 7:30 with Nelly Somakanya signing out. Do follow us on our social media platforms, our YouTube channel, Eswatini TV. Follow us there. You'll find our episodes there and all that is happening here. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.